Hi, my name is Renee Duffin, and I'm Vice President for Cancer Support and Outreach at Bird Perkins Cancer Center. Today, I would like to share with you our data-driven approach to cancer detection and prevention. When our program began in 2002, we recognized that data would be an integral part of how we are to be successful. However, at that time, we did not have the adequate resources in order to collect data appropriately. How it began. In 2002, all of our data was captured on individual paper records. This was very time consuming and limited our ability to be able to gather all of the information needed. Once staff returned to the office with the individual paper records, they were cumulatively totaled and put into a Word table. This did not allow for adequate visibility into individual participant information. It was also prone to errors. We recognized that this was not the most efficient use of our resources, nor were we able to do adequate reporting. As the program continued to evolve and grow, we moved to a group-based approach in 2008. This enabled us to collect data utilizing an Excel spreadsheet. However, staff still used paper records to capture all of the demographic and necessary information for each screening participant at an event. When they returned to the office, they were still required to input all of that data into a cumulative Excel spreadsheet. However, we were able to have information in a searchable format that enabled us to report by age, race, and other demographics at an individual screening level, but not at an individual participant level. As our program continued to grow and evolve throughout the years, we recognized that more data was needed, and having that data in a format in which we could do adequate reporting was absolutely critical. With the receipt of a grant, we were able to create a custom access database that allowed us to create an individual electronic record on every screening participant. This was done also by each individual screening type and the day of the screening. However, paper records were still required, and staff still had to input the data when they returned from a screening. An efficiency we did gain with the use of the Access database was a historical record on each screening participant, which enabled us year over year to be able to continue to add to their electronic record their screening activity. However, this system still lacked our growing demand for reporting. By 2022, we had moved to a cloud-based database system called POGO, My Prevention on the Go. This database allows us to have real-time data at our fingertips. All of our participants are able to either schedule an appointment online or they call and our staff will take all of their information over the phone and input into their electronic record. The data is captured in a way that allows our providers to go into that individual's record and document all of their findings the day of their screening. We're able to have dashboards that give us real-time data on the number of screenings we've conducted, the average age of each participant, as well as the number of cancers we've detected. We're also able to drill down to the parish level, to the city level, and even the zip code level, which is absolutely critical in identifying locations in which we should target our programs and our screenings. We're also able to capture information not only by race and age, but also by whether or not an individual has health insurance, whether or not they have a primary care physician, or when was the last time they were screened. All of this data enables us to make better decisions as it relates to our screening and early detection program. As we continue to evolve and grow, we recognize that data will be a driving factor in how we are able to adequately reach the community that we serve. And utilizing this cloud-based data system, we hope to be able to reach more people that are in need of our life-saving cancer screening services. Thank you.